Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Fibocan. As you are aware, Fibocan is into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, helping clients devise their own investment strategies through our technology products and solutions, innovative investment strategies, so far, Sonifar and Bowmits. They are very powerful and efficient strategies and works on all conditions, whether market is going up, down or sideways, or even up, down, up, whatever it moves. In every video, we discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when and how it will happen. Which is why I request everyone to watch the video till the end, click the bell icon, encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. Today is October 31, 2022, Monday. In this video, we will be discussing about the market performance for this day, and I will also be touching upon how the month fared overall for Bank Nifty and Nifty components. So, Bank Nifty today closed 41,306.85, 0.8% up, while Nifty closed 18,012 and 1.2% up. So, what had happened, how this has happened? In this month overall, now Bank Nifty is well positioned, and in the monthly chart in the month of October, it has closed above the Bollinger upper band. Hence, it is on a strong up move. That's fine. But the headroom available for big up move is very limited. In fact, a 43,303 is something the maximum that I can see. Hence, probably at some stage it might have to come down a little bit, create further headroom and keep going. That's one side of the story. So, Nifty also moved up, but Nifty is also an up move, but the bands in the monthly chart are moving in parallel, band Nifty. Hence, if bands are moving in parallel, and what we know is there is something called band squeeze that will happen. If band squeeze happen, there will be an imminent breakout that will happen, either on the upside or on the downside. But the breakout on the upside is more possible. Why? Because somewhere in March 2020, we formed the reversal from the lower Bollinger Band. Hence, the breakout on the upside is the only possibility, not breakout on the downside, unless otherwise some strong reversal happens in the next few months. But that breakout, it will take another 2-3 months to happen. Probably Jan, Feb, we can expect. So, today, in this overall, banking stocks looked very strong. Particularly HDFC Bank and HDFC, they were driving the market today. Both were significantly up, which was expected, and now HDFC Bank is now above the 2021 closing, and it is also in a strong up move. Why? Because in the weekly chart, it opened above the high of the previous week opened, which is a very good sign, and it continued its up move. While ICICI Bank is drifting down, Axis Bank is moving sideways, Kotak is moving up with sideways momentum, and Indus is moving sideways. Hence, don't expect big firecracker from Bank Nifty or Nifty the next few days. Probably we might have sideways movement. So, Kotak Bank, on the banking, Kotak Bank, HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank up by 1%, HDFC up by 2%, AU Bank up by 3%, Bandhan Bank fell 10%. See, many people always come and say, oh, Bandhan is a great buy, a great story, and all. Stories are great. Okay, that is what now we have been, we are convinced, right? It is only the PE, EPS, price to book value, all those things matter, not price to stories. So, stories are great for Bandhan, but actually it has to translate into performance. Market will punish stocks like this only. Hence, it fell 10% today, Bandhan Bank. Finance. IDFC, L&T Finance, Manappuram up by 1%, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv both up by 2%, HDFC up by 3%. As I mentioned, HDFC twins, they are moving up, and HDFC is now still below the 2021 close, and the day it crosses that, you can see significant up move coming in both HDFC, HDFC Bank and the HDFC group as a whole. In fact, Life also moved up today. So, Chola fell 1%, M&M Finance 2% down, Shriram Transport 3% down, while LIC Housing Finance 4% down. So, overall, other finance, Chola, M&M Finance, LIC Housing Finance are all looking weak and terrible, and hence, it is better to go with these names at least in the month of November. In the insurance and cards, ICICI Pro Life, SBI Life 1% up, ICICI HDFC Life, SBI Cards. If anybody is a long-term investor, here is the stocks that you can monitor. All the insurance, HDFC Life, SBI Life, ICICI Pro Life, ICICI General, Please monitor that. It will give you fantastic returns. Oil and telecom, Reliance up by 1%, Bharti up by 2%, which is why if you see, all the stocks are up. That's why Nifty and BankNifty moved up. On the IT, Intellect fell 14%. Again, once again, results not meeting the expectations of the market. Obviously, market is punishing severely, like how it is punishing in US markets. HCL, Infi, Emphasis, TCS, Techem, Wipro, all up by 1%. Coforge and LTTS up by 2%. Birlasoft and LTI 3% up. Mindtree 4% up. Consumer, Bata India, Hindustan Lever up by 1%. ITC, Pidilite Page Industry and Titan all up by 1%. If you recollect, what did we say at the beginning of October? This month is going to be the month of Titan. What had happened? Titan went up. So every time we tell a stock, we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we will not give any price recommendation or anything. We will just say this stock is looking good. This will go up or this will go down. So it is up to you. Or you can take our training programs. So you will be in a good position to analyze and identify stocks. Asian Paints, Berger Paints and PVR up by 2%. ABFRL up by 3%. Trent had a big up move of 5%. I told again Trent. On the metals, NMDC and Vedanta fell 1%. Jindal and MGL up by 1%. So Jindal Steel again, like Thursday it went up significantly, Friday it fell, and today it was up. But overall it is an up move. Within an up move, there are some short-term pullbacks that is happening. Excepting Jindal, I am not very happy with any of the metal stocks. Automobiles, Hero Motors 1% up, Tata Motors 1% up, Escorts and TVS 2% up, Ashok Leyland, Eicher Motor and M&M 3% up. In the healthcare and pharma, Apollo fell by 1%, Thyrocare and Cipla 1% up, Divi's up by 2%, Metropolis and Sun Pharma up by 3%. Others, Adani Enterprise, Delta Corp, Godrej, IndiaMart, Indigo, Polycab, Zomato all up by 1%, L&T, Aries, Havels and MCX 2% up, Jubilant Food up by 3%, L&T, Ultratech and UPL up by 4%. Nykaa had a big up move of 17%. This is all due to the bonus and all those things. I mean, to small investor, I would request only one thing. Don't go for a news-based stocks or news-based or event-based. Don't act upon. It might backfire. Hence, like be careful. But because of the positive momentum, now it has gone up. If there is a negative momentum, it will go strongly on the downward side. Hence, stocks which are always prone for news-based, it is better to be staying away from that. Overall, what do we expect the range for option expiry Thursday? In fact, we are given a slightly lower range, but since the market is in an uptrend, we are giving a slightly higher range, but we still expect that the range that we gave on Friday should hold, but nevertheless we are giving slightly higher range. 4236.86 on the lower side will hold a strong support, while 42304.42 is going to be a resistance for BankNifty, while for Nifty it is 17522.80 and on the upward direction it is 18343.46. Thank you very much.